What is Terra? Terra bills itself as a next-generation blockchain payment network interwoven with stablecoins and powered by its native Luna token. In technical terms, Terra is a Layer 1 blockchain protocol with smart contract functionality that works as a payments-focused fintech ecosystem leveraging algorithmic stablecoins, the stability of whose value is maintained by internal algorithms. Terra was founded by Daniel Shin and Du Kaun, who also founded Terraform Labs, the South Korean company behind the Terra ecosystem. In 2018, the project kicked off after Terraform Labs secured $32 million of funding, with its lead investors including Binance Labs, OKEx, Huobi Capital, and Danamuan Partners, the investment arm of Seoul-based crypto exchange Upbit. The white paper for the Terra blockchain was released in April 2019, the same month its mainnet was launched. The document describes Terra as a price-stable, growth-driven stablecoin that achieves price stability via an elastic money supply, enabled by stable mining incentives. The protocol also uses seigniorage, the profit made from issuing currency, to stimulate transactions and facilitate wider adoption. The protocol has issued stablecoins pegged to the US dollar, the euro, the Chinese yuan, the Japanese yen, the British pound, the South Korean won, and the International Monetary Fund's special drawing rights, an international reserve asset that supplements the currency reserves of the multilateral lenders' member nations. They are all collateralized by the Luna token, with Terra SDR being Terra's flagship currency. Terra's main stablecoin, Terra USD, USD, aims to reduce the volatility associated with cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NFTs Explained. But before that, do check our description. There we have links of some amazing courses, which will definitely help you in your crypto journey. So without any further delay, let's get started. Terra's native token, Luna. Luna is the Terra protocol's native token, used for staking, governance, and collateral for the network's algorithmic stablecoins. Luna coin holders can stake their tokens to earn rewards and use their weight to vote on governance proposals for the ecosystem. Luna has a dynamic supply of 1 billion coins. Exceeding that number will prompt the protocol to burn Luna tokens automatically. Luna is now the 12th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, at $24.4 billion at press time, when the coin was changing hands for $62.84. The token is important to the ecosystem's collateralizing mechanism to ensure the price stability of Terra stablecoins. This is why Luna is designed to have a dynamic supply that fluctuates according to the protocol's collateralization algorithm. In a nutshell, Luna is responsible for the stability of Terra stablecoins and vice versa. The protocol's name is intended to be analogous to the symbiotic relationship between the Earth and the Moon and the way in which the two celestial bodies confer gravitational stability upon one another. As mentioned above, each Terra token is pegged to a fiat currency as a crypto-collateralized algorithmic stablecoin. The first stablecoin issued by Terra was Terra KRT, a stablecoin based on the South Korean one. Others include Terra USD USD, Terra JPY, Terra CNY, Terra UR, Terra GBP, and Terra SDR. How Terra transactions benefit Luna stakers. The arbitrage trading activity reducing price volatility for Terra stablecoins like USD creates transaction volume on the Terra blockchain. Every transaction captures value for Luna stakers in 3 ways. Gas fees, while minimal, are added to transactions and paid to Luna stakers. Tax fees from 0.1% to 1% are charged for every transaction and paid to Luna stakers. Seigniorage creates rewards for validators and profits the community pool. In short, Luna stakers, both validators and delegators, and the Terra ecosystem as a whole, benefit from the economic activity of expanding and contracting Terra stablecoin supplies. Terra's achievements. Terra has built a system with a 6-second average block time. According to its founders, all transactions on the Terra network pay gas fees, in which the minimum price is set by each validator. For transactions involving stablecoins, extra fees are added on top of the gas fees to maintain stability and discourage foreign exchange arbitrage. The most common type of stablecoin fee, the stability fee, is levied on all non-market swap stablecoin transactions, and fees range from 0.1% to 1%, hard capped at 1 Terra SDT. Spread fees are market swaps that involve stablecoins and Luna. Its minimum fee is set to 0.5% and may fluctuate when there is market volatility. For market swaps between stablecoins, a Tobin tax is applied by on-chain governance. Most market swaps will incur a 0.35% tax, and some stablecoin pairs have had to pay as much as 2%. Terra's Chai payment app is another significant component of the ecosystem, providing an experience that aims to be as frictionless as existing mainstream payment apps. Interoperability is also being addressed with Terra Bridge, a cross-chain system facilitating asset transfers between Terra, Binance Smart Chain, and Ethereum. And developers are working on bringing Terra stablecoins to Solana. Two projects also add to the ecosystem, Mirror and Anchor. Mirror Finance allows users to create synthetic assets called M-Assets, which mirror the price of stocks, designed to enable USD holders to gain exposure to equities. Mirror's Shuttle Bridge also enables M-Asset swaps on the Ethereum network, making the ecosystem more interoperable. The Anchor protocol is a crypto platform that offers access to stable interest rates. Crypto deposited on the protocol is automatically staked to a proof-of-stake blockchain network without users having to find their own liquidity pools. And do take note that this is not financial advice. So dire before engaging in any kind of financial activity and invest at your own risk. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the content of this video, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you get notifies every time we upload a new video. Until then, peace out.